Oh God, I gotta get out of this. I'm gonna pull the fire alarm. I'm gonna pull it long and hard. Cause I can study for the test, and if the excuse that works the best, I'm gonna pull that fire alarm. 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 And as the sprinklers rain down, and teachers ran by with the crowd, I hit the ground. I was free temporarily. Then you ran into me. Oh, I'm sorry. It's the fire alarm. So
I know.
I've never seen you before.
I haven't seen you in weeks.
Are you new here?
Yes. Yes, I just moved here from Albuquerque.
Oh, where are my manners? Here, you look cold.
I'm not used to the rain.
No,
The sprinklers.
yeah, the rain inside, but you know, must have been a malfunction.
I was honestly so worried about this test I just hadn't studied for. I was so thankful.
Oh, I didn't either. I see a lot of you and me. Maybe we could be something more than two people separate. What do you think?
What am I gonna say? I'm scared today. I had this test that I knew I'd fail. When I walked through the hall, the sprinklers came down like balls. I didn't know what to do. Then there was you.
There was me. There was you. I wish this hiatus from school could last forever. Oh no, it's the fire marshal. He's telling us we can go back inside. The fire alarm only bought us 15 Alright, class, alright! Everybody back to the class. That little fire alarm bit was over. Everybody back in! Yeah. Alright, listen. Go. I taught you guys to be the best. And that's why, even though we missed most of the class, you're still gonna take the test. But there's only one question. What is love? 100 words. Write it on the test. Nerd. I don't know what love is.
I can tell what this feeling inside of me says.
There's a tingling, a flutter that's coming up from someplace I've never felt before.
Felt it like this.
Wait, I know the answer to the test. I know what love is. I know what love is. In 100 words or less, we're gonna pass this test. 'Cause we know what love is. This day.
back in town, and I am hot with anger. I am angry with heat. I am heatedly angry. Every one of my pieces of symbolism revolve around fire and heat. And I am displeased.
What do I think he's going to sing about it?
I'm going to sing repeatedly about being displeased. You seem to be tormenting me with that dance move that you just did. It threatened me because I am not comfortable in my masculinity. That is why I hate it. Everyone knows the natural enemy of a fire marshal is flexing buttocks. I wonder if that's going to be on the test later.
They're on to us.
Well, I mean, I think we got to flex our buttocks.
Fire Marshal!
What? Yes.
Thank God somebody pulled the fire alarm. I didn't realize. Actually, because of the rising class capacity, because of rising numbers of students in classes, we are actually above fire capacity. The only thing we need is for 2 students to become 1. If only that could happen.
I don't know how this could happen. I mean, that would be like that myth from Aristophanes, the ancient Greek drama, where he talked about how 2 people who were separated originally. You were one person.
We volunteer for tribute. Symbolize our love of dance.